13 Pro Sierra Blue first impressions. 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, MyTechTalks, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue 256 gigabytes. Just because I wanted to do that new video feature, I've forgotten what it is, I'll put it on the screen. So, I went to the Apple store, right? Or actually before that, what I did was, guys, I decided to order the Sierra Blue because I put a voting poll on my YouTube page and you guys voted for Sierra Blue at the time I made the purchase. So I ordered the Sierra Blue, and I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty close. It was pretty close between the Sierra Blue and the gold and the graphite. I really like the graphite, and I'm glad I actually went for the Sierra Blue because I went into the Apple store today, time I'm filming this, and it was actually really nice. And I picked up the phone, the display units, and I was like, yes, thank you, I'm so glad I've chosen this one, because I looked at the gold and I looked at the silver. The silver for me is a bit tacky, it just looks a bit too blingy and doesn't look real enough. And the Sierra Blue is just a nice colour. You can't really go wrong with graphite or Sierra Blue for me. Even gold's nice, but Sierra Blue is perfect. So I'm going to stop babbling on. Let's unbox this bag. So, obviously, my experience with the, walk up, it's what you do is you don't even have to take your phone out and show them the code. You just give them your name, this, and that's it. I came an hour and 30 minutes early, and thankfully they actually let me have it early because they had a little dead spot because some people turned up late, so that's convenient. So yeah, turned up, it was all great, and what happened is I walked in and I literally was like, wow. Apple store in Brighton, that one's really nice actually. I'm glad I drove all the way there. No, I actually got on the train. If you check out my Twitter, I'm currently on 2 followers. 2. So could we bump that up a bit, please? And also on my Instagram, then I'll be more likely to post more. Put a few tweets out here and there, a couple of days, this and that. I'm going to unbox this right here. Well, I won't be able to unbox this other stuff because that'll be a separate video. This is the Belkin, what's it called? Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charger. It uses MagSafe for the iPhone 12 and up, and uses the Apple Watch. It's got an Apple Watch charger. I went for the black one. You can also charge your AirPods. I'm pretty sure you can charge on a phone on that, and it's 15 watts because most of the others are 7.5. So you're getting the fastest wireless charging. I'm not gonna lie, I just bought this for overnight because I generally just MagSafe for me. This is the only reason I bought it, for overnight charging. I'll be using a fast charger if I need it during the day. So this is for overnight stuff. So that's another video. Let me put that on the side. What you've come for is this. And I'm going to put that on the table. It comes with a lovely black box. And I stupidly, at the time, thought, do you know what? I'm going to buy this iPhone 13 Pro case. And I'm going to not blank that out, because I might not. Yeah, so I bought this iPhone 13 Pro clear case. Oh, details are on the back. I better get rid of that stuff right there, because that's got my address and stuff on it. Okay. 50 quid! 50 quid! It's ridiculous! Right, so 13 Pro. We're going to be unboxing this and this today. I'm just going to leave that in the background just for a bit of contrast and shadow and all this. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's start with the 13 Pro clear case. Oh, it comes with a pull tab. That ruins the fun. But do you know what? Screw it. Screw it. Let's just... The microphone is literally right where my hands are. I'm not even lying. It's literally right here. Plugged in with a little dongle. It's a blue microphone. Plugged into the iPhone 8 that I'm filming on. So hopefully we're going to get some better videos. I'm using the little dongle. The USB dongle for the iPhone with the lightning port. Yep, still on lightning on this iPhone 13 Pro. That's a bit sad. I'm not gonna lie, 50 quid when you're looking at the price tag, you're like, But when you're actually unboxing it, it's a bit different because you get the Apple experience, not the Samsung experience. They're good. Not the Huawei experience, it's the Apple experience. And if you've experienced the iPhone unboxing stuff, then yeah. Okay, let's clear that stuff out of the way. So, you've got the 13 Pro case. Let's just do a little peel test. Oh, I'm such a dumb person. I thought that this was a actual like case over top of the phone case, so it's actually just that. But first impressions, right? First impressions, guys. Right. So, grippy, rubber kind of plastic TPU kind of thing. You've got your magnets in there for the MagSafe, guys. There's one down there. That's for the cable, whatever. So yeah, reason why I went for the 13 Pro instead of the Pro Max is because A, I wanted to save the £100, and 2, I could have put that £100 to get the 256 gigs, and 3, I generally am okay with my iPhone 8, as in like I don't want a humongous phone, and if I can get the 13, if I can get that 13 Pro that's got everything the same apart from the battery and screen size, in that size, without me having to spend the extra 100 to get the 13 Pro Max, then I'm okay with that, guys. I really am. On the inside, it has MagSafe, iPhone, just like the Apple Watch does on the back of the Apple Watch. Literally, Apple Watch SE, really good phone. 200 and what was it? 74, 4G version, 44mm. Got loads of scratches on it already, but £3 a month for Apple Care is well good. Tell me what you thought about this video so far, and yeah, put a like on it. By the way, I'm charging a power bank to charge my separate LED light over here, and this one's plugged in. So, please give me a thumbs up, or at least a sub. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm going to put this right next to the microphone. So, let's do a peel. Oh, actually, they've got a new security thing here. So, they put the seal on the inside, guys. As you can see right there, they put the seal on the inside. Let me just move the light in just a little bit. Probably boring you to death. First one gone. Don't know if you picked that up, but oh well. 13 Pro Sierra Blue, first impressions. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Ooh, I'm not editing this out. Ooh, it's huge. The camera bump is humongous, guys. It's so big. It's huge. I mean, like, the iPhone 8 is bloody teeny. I mean, I was used to the iPhone 12, but oh my goodness me. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. I'm a bit shocked, but in the store it looks so small compared to everything else. Like, because when you're in the store, right, it's just it's completely different. But when you bring it home and you unbox it, you're like, damn, shoot, that's big. And you did the SHIT word. Not really a bad word, but yeah. Stainless steel, surgical grade stainless steel. Let's take this out. As you know, with Apple at the moment, well, practically everyone, so thanks Apple, I'm not going to do a cough for that. You get a USB-C with a lightning cable right there, guys, and I will be using that for like charging on the go, you know, power bank and stuff, because I have an 18-watt fast charging power bank. It's Ugrain, not a sponsor, but yeah, it was only 22 quid, but you can't buy it anymore, so that's a bit unfortunate. But you can buy an upgraded version on Amazon. I'll see if I can find the link below and chuck that in my description. So let me just chuck this down the sides. I'm trying not to smudge it too much. Okay, tell me what you think about the setup as well, because I'm trying new stuff here, guys. Clean as possible. So what do you get in the box? Okay, so you get wow, that's less than my iPhone 12, I'm pretty sure. There's no like stuff you don't need. So you get a SIM tool, you get a information thing you don't really need to look at, and an Apple sticker. That'll be going on the back of my car. Probably won't. I'll probably put the iPad Pro Apple sticker on the back, because that one's bigger. So yeah, while I'm talking about this, I'm going to put this away. Stop your stop wasting your time. So this is the 1 meter cable, guys, right there for you. I'm gonna try and turn the LED lights around a bit because it's a bit, there you go, guys. It's a bit nicer like that now. My first impressions. Okay, this thing smudges. I mean, like, you can't really see what it looks like in real life, right? But I'm trying my best, guys, and this iPhone 8 just can't capture how beautiful this colour is. I'm not gonna lie. I'll try my best when I'm editing it, but the buttons are much lower compared to my iPhone 12. Like, they're much lower. Click test. Bottom one has a bit more thud to it. Power button. Oh, that one's a lot more clicky. Bit more of a thud, the power button. So you've got the alerts. That one's more of a, yep, traditional thing. Man, this colour. Oh, damn. So, obviously, as you can tell, the cameras are definitely, yeah, okay, a lot bigger. You've got the LiDAR, you've got a new lens in here, you've got some new lens here. Like, it's humongous, guys. I mean, like, I'm glad I went for the Sierra Blue, but damn, it smudges so quickly. I mean, like, it's so smudgy. It's unbelievable. I'm going to get another B-roll shot. But the matte black, the matte glass on the back, that's really good when it comes to smudges, guys. I mean, that is really nice. Yeah, it smudges, no smudges at all, to be honest, but glossy. Yeah, I wish they would put a matte kind of, like, you know, camera bump, but yeah, it's really nice. So let's do the peel. Oh, okay. Yeah, that notch is quite a bit smaller, guys. Right, that notch is quite a bit smaller. Yeah, so for me, I didn't want the Pro Max, obviously, but yeah, the notch is quite a bit smaller, guys, as you can see. Right there, it's going to be as clean as it's ever going to be. I'm going to get the Apple Care theft and loss. It's 25 quid, by the way. Every you got 2 claims per year for 24 months, I'm pretty sure, and it's 25 quid for the front glass or the back glass. Now that is pretty damn good, and £109 if you lose it, and I think it's £79 for anything else, like, you know, if you really smash it up or whatever. So yeah, I'm guessing the camera glass and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to be putting this video out pretty soon, and I'm going to do some more tests, like a fast charging test, because I'm pretty sure this is 20 watts, but apparently the 13 Pro Max goes up to 25 watts, I've heard on Twitter, and I can see the True Tone display automatically kicking in. But yeah, I want to see if this one goes up to 25 watts as well. So I am going to see if I can purchase one of those volt wattage meter things you plug in the phone and see what it actually produces. I'll see if I can get one of those on Amazon. Let's turn this. Why? Give me the battery percentage. Why? Apple, you're being a pain here. But yeah, the stainless steel is lovely. Hopefully the speakers are a bit better this year, but then Apple never do that. They never tell you the speakers really anymore. They just like, new speakers. That's it. Oh, 120 hertz. Oh. Thumb this video if you're going to get this phone in this colour. My phone's going to pick up as red at the moment, but yeah, it's so nice, this phone. Okay, English. Oh my god, 120 hertz. Oh my god. I got 120 hertz ProMotion on the iPad Pro. Oh, ProMotion. Oh yes. It's been waiting. I know this video ain't going to be in, you know, 120, but, you know, it's going to be in 30, but damn. Okay, we're going to go, what is it saying? Select your country or region. United Kingdom, obviously, guys, as you can tell. UK. That's going to be all the way at the bottom. Do you know, it doesn't feel like 120 hertz. Not compared to the iPad Pro, I'm not going to lie. It's a bit slow at the moment, but maybe it's just me. Where is the UK? United Kingdom. Set in language. Like, I'm not going to lie, I've not missed the notch at all when I'm using the iPhone 8, because most videos on YouTube are 16:9, right? So yeah, I don't get anything at all. No, nothing. Okay guys, I'm going to call it a day for the unboxing and first impressions. Let me just chuck the case on real quick. I'm going to get my microfiber cloth and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to get my microfiber cloth. Hopefully it doesn't scratch it. If it does, I'm going to be truly like, you flipping kidding me. Like, I'm going to get Apple Care, so it's alright. I was actually considering just not using a case and a screen protector, but that sounds a bit stupid. So no offense to those people who don't actually do that. I mean. But let's chuck this in. But yeah, I've really smudged it when I've just cleaned it. Like, what the frick is going on? What the hell? Did it just bing at me? But yeah. Oh yeah. That is a nice look. Obviously, if you go for the silver one, it'll look even better, but you've got to make sure that the frame on the inside is spotless when you put this in and the back. Because if it isn't spotless, it's going to look pretty shite. So yeah. Camera bump actually looks better for me on the normal Pro than the Pro Max because it stands out more. Which is exactly what I want. Yeah, buttons. I'll do that for you guys real quick. Volume buttons, they're a bit dud. Easy to put the mute switch on. But yeah, there's a huge lip actually this year, I'm pretty sure. As you can see right there, there's a pretty big lip. So I'm guessing if you're safe. As long as you don't get a huge grain of salt on your table and you do that, you're fine. But don't put your screen down on like a wooden table that has salt on it just because you want to try it. Because if you do that, your phone's going to get scratched to hell. Don't ask me because I had an S10 Plus and it got ruined. So yeah, you got the really nice screen on here. I'm going to chuck a screen protector on here, guys. And I'm going to call it a day for now. I'm going to do a speaker test. And I will be doing loads of other little tests on this phone. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications while you're there. Follow me on Twitter as well. And yeah, follow me on Instagram if you want. It'll be on my Facebook homepage. No, my YouTube homepage. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'm going to set this phone up and thanks for watching. Okay, that wraps it up. How do you take this flipping case off? They're so hard. This is the only downside of it being... I don't want to scratch the screen. Or the aluminium. I mean the stainless steel. Oh my goodness me. Okay. That's the only downside of having this kind of a case. When it's a hard shell, you can't get the bloody thing off to clean it. Right. If you're still here, then congrats, you've made it to the end. This is probably going to be the bonus thing, so if you want to watch the end, you can. But I can't get the bloody case off because I just can't. I just... like, what the frick? Ah, there we go. 50 seconds. Bye-bye.